Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that brings you the latest and greatest in gadgets and tech accessories. Today, we have something special for those of you looking to upgrade your workspace. The SUPERJARE Dual Monitor Stand Riser. If you're tired of a cluttered desk and want to take your monitor setup to the next level, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off with the patent-pending design of this monitor stand riser. It's not just a single piece. It comes with 3 separate units that you can arrange in various angles and positions. Need more space? No problem. The length of the stand can be adjusted from 23.5 inches to a whopping 36 inches. Plus, there are extra metal parts and pre-drilled holes to keep everything securely in place. Now, let's talk about ergonomics. The inner board of the stand is 3.15 inches high, while the 2 side boards are 3.94 inches high. This elevation brings your monitor to eye level, which can work wonders for your posture. Say goodbye to those pesky neck and back discomforts during long working hours. Trust me, it's a game changer. Concerned about the environment? Well, you'll be pleased to know that this monitor stand is made of T2 particle board, constructed according to California's Composite Wood Products Regulation. That means it positively impacts your life without negatively affecting the environment. It's a win-win. Worried about durability? Don't be. This board is thick and robust enough to hold not just your monitor but also a laptop, computer, TV, printer, or even a speaker. Plus, it provides a sleek surface to showcase your personality. Add some plants or ornaments to make your workspace truly yours. Need to manage multiple screens? No sweat. This stand can hold 2 monitors, making it ideal for multitasking. Plus, it offers 3 storage spaces underneath to keep your office supplies organized. A clutter-free workspace is a productive workspace. So, who is SUPERJARE? They're a company driven by passion and the desire to enhance your home and workspace. Their products are designed with your real needs in mind, injecting charm and style into your spaces. Their mission is simple: to create cozier homes and provide outdoor products that help you relax and unwind. They understand the importance of balance in our lives. That's a wrap for today's review of the SUPERJARE Dual Monitor Stand Riser. If you're ready to transform your workspace into a clutter-free, ergonomic haven, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. If you found this review helpful and want to see more fantastic tech reviews, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and ring that notification bell.